Hello and welcome back. This is a new vlog that I am doing while I am here in my vacation. Kindly, if you have not checked my videos part 1, part 2 and part 3, kindly go and check them so that you can understand why I am doing this video. So I want to take you for a tour in this my Airbnb where I came to take my small holiday, and I want to start with outside. I want to start giving you the tour from outside. So let's get into the video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't and like this video for more. So this is the outside view of the Airbnb where I am living, just right before the entrance. And as you can see, that is Menengai Crater Cliff. And yeah, I have ever been to there, so I know that's Menengai Cliff. And then we have the Nakuru-Nairobi Highway. Is it Nairobi-Nakuru or whatever the case? We have that highway over there. Then this is how it looks outside. Let me zoom out. This is how it looks outside. And then the entrance. Mind my shoes. These are the only shoes I carried. And then we have this kamat which says welcome to our home. And then right here on the door we have these beautiful curtains. Let me stand here so that you can see them well. We have these beautiful curtains, the ones at the door. Ooh, beautiful curtains. And then right after entering the door we have the living room, which has this big couch, this sofa and the other sofa, and this kawaii table over here, which I loved so much. Just don't mind my things. That's my laptop and my charger down there. This table is so good, like watu wenye watutembeangi. Anyway, don't blame myself for that. And then we have this curtain. I think I need to switch on the lights. This curtain, and then right over there we have the kitchen. And then over here we have the big TV and these two drawers and that kamaua down there. Before we get into the kitchen, that kamaua down there. And then now let's get into the kitchen. This kitchen of ours is fully equipped and well equipped. It has, this is salt shaker, just maybe the amenities that someone can need. Some sugar. And then what is this? Is in tea bags. I am about to take breakfast and I will use them. And then this is and then we have the toothpicks. This is salt, and these ones are salt shakers. Hizi ni vitu zangu, whatever I bought yesterday, I have kept them here. And then we have this. Hizi ni za kupika. The utensils are on this side. And we have these pans. This is a pan, hizi ni vifuniko za pan, and another plate over here. And then I don't know whether you can see the bowl and this plastic basin, and then the glasses and coffee mugs. And then over here we have the kitchen drawers. Let me zoom out so that you can see. We have the kitchen drawers. Kuna those nini, what are they called? The wine glasses. And then we have more utensils over there. And then hii ni unga ya ugali, kiberiti, and then more pans over here. I don't know whether you can see. Yes, you can see more pans over here. Let me switch on the light. Sorry, I had switched off the lights. And then we have this table which looks so cute. The microwave over there, the sandwich maker, and then the kettle. And then there is a space down here, and our bin. Oops. Yeah, we have the bin over there. And then this is our cooker, kuna gas hapo, clean water over there, and our fridge. I haven't shown you this carpet. This mat is very smooth. Like, I don't know how to explain, but it is very, very perfect. It is smooth, but you can't fall. See, Zile, I have the mat that is in my house. It's the one that is very, very smooth in a way that you can fall. If you don't walk carefully, you can fall. But for this one, perfect one. And then you have these two flowers, which looks very cute. Very, very cute. And then these white drawers over here zinakaa poa sana. And then at this corner we have that flower over there, which is very beautiful also. And I haven't shown you easy lights. This lightings looks very cute and zinawaka white and blue. And then right after you leave the living room, pale ile side we have the sink. This is the sink, and then the liquid soap. Ooh, hi! We have the liquid soap over there, and then this is the bathroom. Looks so cute. Exactly. That is how it looks. Very, very cute. And then let's close the door. Right over here, the door was already open. So this is my bedroom. It is small, but it really fits me. This is my bedroom, and the bed is very comfortable also. It has these, what are they called, throw pillows, and the towels were two. Nishatumia moja, and then there is this one which was left here, which I haven't used. So these two throw pillows are very cute. Wow. And I also love the way the bed is. I don't know whether you can see. I love the way the bed is, and it was very comfortable. Bed imefanya niamke late. Anyway, and then there is this side table over here, which also looks good, and our dustbin, and then this fluffy mat right over here, and the wardrobes, which are very big. I loved them. You see the way they are, aki ni kubwa vizuri. Wa? Me can live here for the rest of my life. It's only that I do not have money, you know. And then, don't mind the way I have arranged my things. I'm not very good at arranging things. And then, ooh, this is where I have kept my clothes. You see the way hizi nini wardrobes ni kubwa vizuri. Yeah, and now let's go to one of my favorite places. And I love the lighting also. I love it when the house is bright. This camera is not doing justice again. And now the cute curtains. Wow, everything here is just perfect. We have the cute curtains, and if you don't want to go out, unaweza kaa hapa, you watch the view of the lake. And now let's go outside. Actually, let's go outside. There is this balcony. Wow. This balcony, and then kuna basins hapo in case you need to do some laundry. And yeah, this is how it looks hapa hivi nje. And now let's go and view the lake. I don't know whether you can see the lake. That is the lake. And I think the national park is just haiko mbali sana, because yesterday night when I was asleep, I heard the hyenas laughing so loud, and they were so close until I was kind of scared. The hyenas were laughing, you know. So the national park is not very far, even though I don't know the exact location. But as I told you earlier in my other videos, I had not planned to go to the national park, because I was to go to Nanyuki. I wasn't to come here in Nakuru. I was to go to Nanyuki. So I did not plan to go to the national park. So, and then we have this fluffy, what do you call it? This fluffy mat. Very cute. I love the color and the way it is fluffy. It's beautiful. So yeah, I think that's it for our tour. Ama what else do you want to see? Yeah, that's it for our I hope that I have done the tour well, because I have never done another house tour, even my own house tour, but I will do one very soon. Yeah, so that's it, wadau. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'm going to link the rates, the number, and everything else about the Airbnb, and the number of the person mwenye alinileta huku, so that just in case you need to take your time alone, or if you need to come with someone else, it's still fine. If you feel that unataka kuja alone to feel your own vibe like I did, it's still fine. But if you come with someone else, it's also fine. Hii bed ni kubwa, inaweza tushare watu watano. You know, anyway, yeah, so that's it for this tour of ours. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.